Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name. So first of all, what you need to do is head over to Facebook. Once you open up Facebook, you now need to head over to the page that you want to change the name of. So if I go to my profile picture in the top right hand corner, click on my pages and then select the one that I want to change the name of right here. Once you click switch now, what you can do is you can click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner. Click on the settings icon right next to the search icon. And then now you can click on page settings for how to online in my case. So if I click on this, what that will do is it will show the option for name right there under personal information at the top. Click on this and then what that will do is it will bring you to here. What you can then do is if you click on where it says your name and then you put in whatever you want. If the name is available, you can then click on review change and then you can then enter in your password and then click on save changes. Once you have clicked on save changes, what that will do is it will change your name to the one that you choose. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.